Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the WhatsApp web without keeping your phone online. Yes, it's possible to use it, so let's break it down. So first thing you need to do is to open the web whatsapp.com. Then on your phone, open the WhatsApp link devices. Tap a link a device and scan a QR code on your computer. And this links the WhatsApp web to your account. Now, the magic begins. Then to use a WhatsApp web on phone offline, after linking, your phone is no longer needed to stay online. You can turn it off, disconnect the Wi-Fi, or even shut down your phone. The WhatsApp web will continue working smoothly. You can send, receive messages, and they'll sync later if needed. And don't log out. If you log out on WhatsApp web, you'll need your phone again to scan a new QR code. So keep the session active unless necessary. And the quick tips. You can link up to 4 devices, web or desktop apps. All devices work independently after setup, and the messages stay end-to-end encrypted even with linked devices. And that's it. You know how to use the WhatsApp web like a pro, with or without your phone online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.